Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Inspect the cast iron skillet for cracks, heavy pitting, and loose metal. Assessing structural damage helps decide whether repair is possible. Remove loose food with a stiff brush and mild soap if needed. Soak the skillet in warm water for 30 minutes to loosen baked-on debris and rust flakes. Scrub remaining residue gently with steel wool until raw metal appears. Rinse thoroughly and dry immediately with a clean towel to prevent flash rust. Sand pitted or rusty areas with 120 grit sandpaper until rough rust is removed. Follow with 220 grit sandpaper to achieve a smoother finish for seasoning. Clean the skillet again and dry it completely to avoid steam during heating. Apply a thin coat of high smoke point oil, about 1 tablespoon, to the entire surface. Place the skillet upside down in a 450 degrees F oven and bake for 1 hour to polymerize the oil into seasoning. Repeat the oil application and baking cycle 3 times to build a durable nonstick seasoning. Let the skillet cool in the oven to room temperature before removing it carefully. For regular cleaning, avoid dishwashers and harsh detergents. Use hot water and a soft brush instead. For stuck food, boil 1 cup of water briefly to release residues. After drying, rub a light coat of oil on the surface to protect against moisture and maintain seasoning during storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.